Welcome guys. In today's video I have something completely different. So I told you guys in my haul that I love watermelon, and we've already ate half of it and I still have the half and no one's gonna eat it. So I figured that it is the perfect time, and with the watermelon right here, it's a perfect opportunity for me to make Agua De Sandia. So the first thing that I'm obviously going to do is cut. Whenever I have half of the watermelon, I usually put it on the bottom part and then I start cutting on the sides. And then I put a paper towel underneath my cutting board because I use a glass cutting board, so I don't want it to slide on me. So I know that a lot of people, like, you're all gonna be like, watermelon, agua de sandia, it's like the easiest, but I still wanted to share with you guys. It is definitely one of my favorite fruit. I get really sad every time it's winter because the season changes from watermelon to apples and oranges. Which, I mean, orange, I don't mind either. I love oranges as well, but I prefer watermelon. So let me cut all this and then we'll go to the next step. So let's put all this. Now the key to have a perfect agua de sandia is to blend. So the more you blend, the better it tastes. So I'm gonna blend this for 3 to 4 minutes. If you wanna add 5 minutes, you can do that. It will taste even better. Okay, so I blend my watermelon for 3.5 minutes. Let me get my picture. Now here is that I am going to strain this to take all the pulp out. If you don't want to do this step, you can literally avoid it. I don't mind drinking my agua de sandia with the pulp. If you're gonna drink it right away, you can leave the pulp, and if you don't mind it, that's fine. Again, I don't mind it, but my kids don't like it, so that's why I always try to like take the pulp out. But again, if you are going to drink it right away, it's okay if you leave the pulp, but if you're not, it's better to take it out because you can only preserve the water in the fridge for like 2 to 3 days, the max. So I'm gonna take the pulp out, and then we're gonna continue. Smells really good. I literally had to transfer this, otherwise I was gonna take forever doing it in there. It's much easier. I should have done this in the first place instead of putting it in there, but hey, it's okay. I'm gonna freeze this and we can eat, because my kids love watermelon ice cream. So I just blend the watermelon and literally just put it on the freezer. I'm gonna put some ice. Okay, put some ice in here. Now I'm going to transfer my agua into the pitcher. Oh my God. This is gonna be enough for more glasses. So I bought some mint the other day when I went grocery shopping. I cannot keep any plant or any living flower alive. So I'm hoping that this will stay alive. I need to transfer it to a bigger pot so that way it can continue growing. But I'm gonna add a few mints into my agua. Okay guys, so it smells super delicious. This smells super good. I'm gonna add in a lemon because the acid of the lemon will keep the water more preserved. So I'm gonna add just a few drops of lemon. Now this is optional. You can add sugar if you need some sugar. I don't think I need any sugar. I'm gonna cut this just like this. I'm going to add the rest of the water into my cup. Now, if you want to be fancy pantsy, you can add garnish, a little bit of agua watermelon. All right, let's taste. Oh my God, I wish you guys can taste this. Oh my God, guys, this tastes super, super delicious. It tastes like there is this ice cream shop at Mexico that it's called the Michoacanas. And I know that there are some places out here in the US, I've seen some in California, that they have a few of them that are called Michoacanas. Their aguas frescas are super, super delicious. This tastes like that. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This water, it tastes really, really good. If you end up making this water, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or leave me a comment down below if you're gonna try it. And I end up blending the rest of the watermelon and all the pulp. It's gonna go into the freezer and I'm gonna freeze it to make ice cream. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're not part of the family. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to show you how to make cucumber water or agua de pepino, okay? We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
What? Well, actually, ooh.